The Britex Grout Tile system is designed for cleaning large open areas of tiled flooring. It's not designed for cleaning wall tiles or for use in small confined spaces. Firstly, attach the brush refill to the wand. Place the brush refill onto the floor, sponge side down. Position the Grout Tile wand head over the refill so the plastic tabs line up with the markers on the metal head. Gently push the wand head down into the refill until it's clipped firmly into place. Remove the solution hose and the vacuum hose from tank A and replace the dome lid. Connect the small end of the thin solution hose to the connection point under the vacuum and pump switches. Connect one end of the larger vacuum hose to the dome lid on tank A. Pull back the brass sleeve on the other end of the solution hose and connect it to the brass fitting underneath the Grout Tile wand trigger. Connect the other end of the vacuum hose to the Grout Tile wand tube above the trigger. Fill tank B of the machine with 9 litres of hot tap water, ensuring the water level does not go above the filter. Then add 3 capfuls of Britex Grout Tile cleaning solution to tank B. Plug the machine into the power point. You are now ready to clean. Wet tiled surfaces can be slippery. Please take appropriate safety precautions when cleaning with the Britex Grout Tile system. Work backwards so you don't step on the clean floor. To start cleaning, lift up the wand and use your hands to turn the wand head to the vertical grout cleaning position. Press the lever down and move the head to the desired position, ensuring the pin locks securely into the hole. Britex recommends cleaning 1 to 2 square metres of floor tiles at a time, following these steps. Turn on only the pump button on the Britex machine. Apply the brush section of the refill head to the grout line. Squeeze the wand trigger once or twice to apply water and solution to the grout. Release the wand trigger and scrub along the grout line in a back and forth motion until clean. Once you've completed cleaning the selected areas of grout, position the wand head to the horizontal mopping position. Now turn on both the pump and vacuum buttons on the Britex machine. Squeeze the wand trigger once or twice to apply water and solution to the tiles. Lift the edge of the mop that is closest to you slightly off the ground so it is slightly tilted. Mop over the tiled area, bringing the mop towards you. This will clean the floor tiles and extract any excess water left on the surface. Repeat the previous process until all of the desired area of grout and tiles are cleaned. Periodically, check tank A and discard the dirty water. To continue cleaning, follow the earlier steps. That's 9 litres of hot tap water into tank B, followed by 3 capfuls of Britex Grout Tile cleaner. When finished, release any unused solution from tank B and empty out the dirty water from tank A. Rinse out the dome lid and filter. Clean the machine thoroughly before returning it to the store.